how to find your Discord token. Get Discord token. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you this quick and easy tutorial. Now the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your browser right here from your Windows computer. You cannot go ahead and do this from the Discord application itself, so you want to navigate through the browser version. Once inside, you simply want to right click on the Discord website. From here, you can then go ahead and click on Inspect Element, and this window will show up. You simply want to click on this specific button, which will transfer our Discord into a phone version. From there, click on this arrow icon, click on Application, and once inside, you simply want to go ahead and search for token. So from here, we can then go ahead and see our Discord token. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.